Thank you. So we also have in our program Dr. Falahola Fuka, who's the Senior Medical Officer at ONG Unit at the Viola Hospital in Tonga. So thank you once again for being part of the program. So could you say a little bit about what other benefits you gain from the conference and from you and also your delegations from Tonga?
Thank you very much for this opportunity. Yes, as you guys, I'm all aware of the reasons why we come for this conference is the main association for caring for our women and units in the Pacific, and I feel that it's very vital for all of us in the Pacific, including Tonga, of course, to attend such meetings. But this is where we come and share ideas and knowledge and skills, and see and see how to improve and also, of course, to stratify actions on how to improve health provided to our women. And from the last few days, we talked about a lot of issues that we already know that it's a significant health problem for the Pacific. But the main issue that comes out of it is that even though we as an association recognize that it is a problem in our respective countries, but each country have their own issues and barriers that is not allowing us health professionals to provide that optimal care that needed to be given to these women. So I hope after this conference, as an association, be able to relay those concerns to the ministry themselves in a higher level, for us to be able to provide the care that the countries are expected to that the countries are expecting out of us, by providing the optimal circumstances of the environment for us, in order for us healthcare to provide those care to our women. So I hope that some of the benefits to the society as a whole. Of course, there is ongoing learning of us individually for our developing of the new skills and the knowledge throughout the conference. But I think the main benefit is really the quality of care for our women need to be improved, and I hope after this conference we make a change in the next few years or so. Yes.
So what are some of the specific skills that you have learned from this year's conference and you'd like to take home?
Right, because we are not doing any hands-on during the conference, wasn't attending the workshops, but I think the skills, I think what I learned from the attending a few of these workshops, conferences, is that there's no use knowing the knowledge and the skills, but if you are not able to articulate or share that with your colleagues, then it's just a waste of time. So I think the ability to articulate what you know and be able to share in a more practical ways for our colleagues, I think that's the most important thing that you can actually take out of these conferences. As we all know, in the Pacific, most of us, we do actions, hands-on kind of practice instead of less in terms of talking and to patients. Yeah, and particularly this aspect of health, obstetrics and gynae, it's more about involving on hands-on training and doing things. We're dealing, because majority of our work is dealing with emergency. So if you're not up to bar with your hands-ons and your skills in recognizing those there is such emergencies, then it just defeats the whole purpose of actually coming to this kind of conferences. But I think the skills is be able to know the skills, what's practical and to your country, to your setting, and be able, of course, to articulate it not only at this level, and you'll be able to go back home and articulate it to your level. There's no use coming with this all these checklists, and if your health system is not able to provide that for you to deliver those, then there's a lot of mismatch in this kind of healthcare services that we're trying to give to our women and, of course, the Pacific. But I hope that after this, they'll be able to, as a group of very talented people, should be able to come up with something practical to our setting in the Pacific. And I hope by the next few more days I'll be able to try to get much as possible so I can take it back to Tonga, and I hope to serve my country to the best of my abilities.
Thank you once again, Dr. Fuka. Do you have anything else you would like to share?
Yes, Vanuatu is beautiful, and I love hope that UNFPA, yes, be able to fund more of this, because not only it brings us together as a team, but we hope we'll take it back to our own countries, the same spirit, to provide the services that we are expected to do. Yes.
Thank you, Dr. Fuka.
Thank you.